Okay, scholars, we are looking now at our packet work in the Iditarod Adventure Packet for lesson 94 today. Let's take a look at what you're doing for your assignment. Near the beginning of this lesson, Chad made a difficult decision to race with 16 dogs. Do you think he made the right decision? Why or why not? Use at least one piece of textual evidence to support your answer. So, scholars, because I want to make sure I'm using words from the question in my answer, right, I have to think about, do you think he made the right decision? Maybe you want to start it with, I think he made the right decision because, oh, there's my favorite word again, Because. That's how you spell because. Remember, anytime I'm being asked why or why not, I'm likely writing the word because, so I'm explaining why or why not. So I think he made the right decision because. Period. Or maybe you're thinking he did not make the right decision. In that case, you'd maybe want to have don't right here. I don't think he made the right decision because. So, scholars, that's going to take care of this part and this part. Use at least one piece of textual evidence. So, make sure your reason why, or your reason why not, is supported by what you read in the story, right? What did you read that thinks he made the right decision? Or what did you read that makes you think he made the wrong decision? So make sure you're connecting it to the story. Then the second part, write about a time you have made a difficult decision. Again, scholars, we want to make sure you're using words from the question. I had to make a difficult decision when, right? And then write about that decision and punctuate it, right? That's a good starter using words from the question to then write about a time you made a difficult decision. Okay, now looking quickly at the rubric before you start, right? If you begin like this, or there's other options, but if you're using words from the question, right, that's going to give you a point. If you explained why, right, your because here, if that explains why you agree or disagree, you're going to get a point. And there's not a right or wrong answer to it, scholars, right? You can agree with him or disagree with him. The points are based on if you explained why or why not. Right? And then does your reason, right, come from the text? Right? For example, if you said, I don't think he made the right decision because dogs should be able to start each day with a cup of coffee from Caribou, right? That is not at all connected to our text and probably not true. I'm not sure dogs should have caffeine, but that would not get you this point, right? So it needs to be supported by the text, right? Your reason why you agree with him or disagree with his decision needs to be connected to the story. Then, if you wrote about a time you made a difficult decision, right, that's going to be a point. And then a half a point that you remembered to capitalize, and a half a point that you remembered to punctuate, right? Both of these should be punctuated, and both should be starting with capital letters. All right, scholars, good luck with your work for today. Remember, submit a photo of your written work when you're finished.